welcome. This is Vivek from Money Mission, wishing everyone a good day ahead. And I'm still not feeling well. My throat is obviously not so good, and I'm having a bit of cold as well. So just bear with me. And Bank Nifty so far looks, I'd not say weak, but not strong either. Yesterday it had a free fall all the way from 39,100 to 38,700, and then it just consolidated. And today was a flat open, and after that it has just fallen around 150 200 points, and after that it's kind of consolidating. So looking at the price action, 38,500 is today's lowest point. So to be exactly precise, today's low was 38,429.5. So we'll go to the open interest to see if 38,500 would be the day's low. Going to 38,500. Just for today, a lot of calls and puts being written, which indicates that straddles are being heavily written at 38,500. And cumulative open interest 2.7 million of puts and 2.2 million of calls. And apart from that, but today I'd say it's not very neutral, but slightly bearish, because if you could look at 38,600, a lot of call options have been written and not a lot of put options. So the straddles are just increasing. 38,000 lot of puts, and so today I am expecting Bank Nifty to trade sideways with a slightly bearish bias. The time is around 11:30, and back then when we just saw, we had almost equal quantities of 38,500 puts and calls. But right now calls have increased out of proportion, while at the same time puts have slightly decreased. So puts were at around, I guess, 800k and now at 600, and calls were slightly lower than 1 million, I guess around 960, 980, and now they've just touched 1.5 million, which indicates that it's gonna be slightly bearish today, but not very bearish as I said back then. So we'll go see what the price action has to say. And looking at the price action, we are forming a classical lower low, lower high. So this was the day's high, then a low, then a high, then a low, and we are forming this high. So as long as we are not breaking about 38,550, I'll be bearish for the day. The time is almost 3 o'clock, and to be precise, it's 2 o'clock and 58 minutes. And Bank Nifty is at 38,330. So, as I said, today it was slightly bearish, and Bank Nifty fell all the way. Yeah, this was a huge fall, and that happened with a good amount of momentum as well. From a high of 38,488 to a low of 38,216, around 260 to 70 points in a matter of 20 25 minutes. That was a good momentum, and Bank Nifty is once again trying to climb up, and I'm further not expecting the day's low of 38,216 to be broken, so I'm expecting it not to be broken. So if you could look, Bank Nifty initially tried to take support at around 38,350, which also happens to be the low of 11 November. But once it has been broken, it fell all the way down till 38,230, and once again it is coming back to the support region. And I'm expecting this region to be resistance, simply like support acting as resistance, and just another 30 minutes. And these are the positions that we're having. And I'm not expecting the profit or loss to sway greatly from now on, just 30 more minutes left. But anything can happen. But I'm not expecting it though. So I've just closed all my positions, and we're ending the day with a profit of around 28,000, which is really good after yesterday's loss of 60,000. So for this month, we are still down by around 82 to 83,000, and I'm hoping to have a good expiry this week. And if that happens, we'll recoup that 83, 85,000. and we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.